Welcome back to my channel. My name is Cheng Nyak. My dear brothers and sisters at home and in diaspora, I greet you all in the name of peace, unity, and justice. Today, I want to take a few minutes to speak to you heart to heart about three major developments that have taken place in South Sudan. These events reflect both the challenges we still face and the opportunities ahead. So I ask you to listen with an open mind and a critical heart. First, the diplomatic appointment. President Salva Kiir Mayardit, President of South Sudan, offered the swearing-in ceremony of 40 new ambassadors. Among them were two of his own sons, Thiik Kiir Mayardit and Mayar Kiir Mayardit. This is Mayar Kiir Mayar. This is Thiik Kiir Mayardit. Now let's be honest. This decision has sparked deep concern across the nation. Many people are asking, why would the president appoint his own son to such high-level international positions? Is this leadership based on merit, or is it rooted in favoritism and family ties? This is a fair question. We are a country full of talented, educated, and experienced professionals, people who have served this nation with honor. Yet, when appointments are made based on who you are related to, not what you have achieved, it sends the wrong message to the youth and to every hardworking citizen. While the president encouraged these diplomats to serve with integrity and professionalism, we must ask, how can we believe in integrity if the very process of selection seems unfair? South Sudan belongs to all of us, not to a few families. And if we are to build a nation where justice and equality prevail, then our institution must reflect those values. Let appointment be based on qualification, not bloodline. Now let's talk about the judiciary. President Kiir recently removed Chief Justice Reec, Madut, and his deputy, who have been in office since 2011, the very year we gained independence. In their place, he appointed Dr. Benjamin Bakdang and Laku Tranquilo Nyombe. This is a bold, long overdue move. For years, the people of South Sudan have cried out for justice. They have said, we got to court, but we don't get answer. The judiciary has been accused of corruption, delays, and lacking independence. You know it. I know it. The whole country know it. The truth is, justice delayed is justice denied. We cannot move forward as a people if our legal system is broken. Courts are supposed to be the place where the weak find protection, not where they go to suffer more. So, to the new Chief Justice and his deputy, I say this: the people are watching. You have been given a sacred responsibility. Reform the court, restore trust, deliver justice without fear of favor, and let your work bring dignity back to the judiciary. Development in Akobo County. The new commissioner of Akobo, Honorable James Quaid Makwach, has announced a series of development projects. Among them is the long-stalled Luolthakyian Bridge, which will connect Akobo to Poshala and the Gambela region in Ethiopia. This bridge is more than concrete and steel. It is a lifeline. It represents hope, connection, and opportunity for thousands of families who have been isolated by conflict and poor infrastructure. The commissioner also spoke about reviving school, rebuilding hospital, and supporting local farmers. And he said something very important: peace has returned to Akobo. This is what leadership should look like, not fancy titles or foreign trip, but real action, development, service, empowering the people. Let us support such effort and let them be replicated across the country, because peace without development is not enough, and development without justice will not last. So what is the bigger picture here? it is this. Our country is changing, slowly, unevenly, but it is changing. But whether that change is positive or negative depends on us, the people. We must continue to speak out against nepotism. We must demand fairness in our institution. We must celebrate leaders who build and reject those who destroy. Let us not be divided by the tribe or silent by fear. Let us speak as one people, with one voice, calling for a better South Sudan. We owe it to ourselves, we owe it to our children. So as you go about your day, I urge you reflect on this development, talk about them, share this message, and above all, stay engaged, because the future of this nation is in our hand. Thank you for listening. May God bless you, and may God bless South Sudan.